How to change country in Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your country in the Google Play Store. So earlier you could manage to switch your country anytime manually, but now that's no longer possible. Google has added new rules and limitation. So before you start, there are the few things you must know. You must be physically residing to change your country or location in Google Play Store. And here you need a valid payment method that should be issued in that new country. And next is you can only change your Play Store country once per year. And at last, be aware because after switching your existing play balance, subscriptions and some apps and content may become unavailable. So, yes, you used to be able to change it manually in settings or use VPN, but now Google requires an actual location or local payment method for it to work. So, simply open the Google Play Store, and now here, once you're inside it, just tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in this section, simply scroll down and tap on settings. And now here, just tap on general and after that tap on account and device preferences. Now from here, simply scroll down and find country and profiles. So here, as you can see, the country and profiles option has been grayed out. So if you are eligible, you'll see your current country and the option to switch. So there you just have to tap the new country you want to move to and then follow the on-screen steps. And Google will ask for a payment method from that country. So such as local credit or debit card. Without this, the option won't activate. And once it can take up to 48 hours for your new Play Store country to fully update. And after that, you'll see apps and prices specific to that region. And that's it. That's the updated method to change your country in Google Play Store. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.